Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm giving you a quick demo of the front-facing camera quality of HTC U12 Plus smartphone. It comes with 8+8 dual front-facing camera and is capable of recording 1080p Full HD. For the images, it comes with auto HDR, AR stickers along with the bokeh effect. You can even customize the bokeh as manual bokeh or auto bokeh. AR stickers are available for videos as well. And the video recording comes with 3D audio recording feature. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea if you're going to use HTC U12 Plus for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So just a quick demo for all of you guys. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel because a detailed camera review of HTC U12 Plus will be uploaded very soon. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.